What if the key to protecting your kidneys wasn't in a pill bottle, but on your plate every single day? Your kidneys work 24/7 to filter toxins, balance fluids, and regulate blood pressure, but modern diets overload them. Today, we're revealing powerful foods and daily habits backed by science that may help support kidney function naturally. Chronic kidney disease affects millions worldwide, often without obvious symptoms until serious damage has occurred. Conditions like high blood pressure, diabetes, and chronic inflammation silently strain your kidneys. But research shows that specific nutrient-dense foods and simple daily habits can help reduce oxidative stress, improve circulation, and support long-term kidney health. This video breaks down the most effective science-supported strategies in a clear, actionable way, so viewers can make smarter food choices starting today. We'll also explain how nutrients like potassium, in appropriate amounts, fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and plant-based compounds support overall renal health. Are you tired of feeling limited by your kidney condition, wondering if you'll ever truly feel healthy again? What if I told you there are delicious everyday foods that can actively help your kidneys heal, giving you back control and vitality? Many people believe a kidney-friendly diet is bland, restrictive, and joyless, but that couldn't be further from the truth. Today, we're going to dive deep into a world where your plate becomes your most powerful medicine. We'll uncover how certain foods aren't just safe, but actively work to support and even restore your kidney function, opening up a path to feeling better, having more energy, and living a fuller life. You might be surprised to learn that some of these powerhouse foods are probably already in your fridge. Our kidneys are incredible tireless workers. Think of them as the body's master filtration system, constantly cleaning your blood, balancing fluids, and making sure all the junk gets flushed out. When they're not working well, it's like a clogged drain, toxins build up, and your whole system struggles. For years, the advice for kidney patients has often been about restriction. Cut back on this, avoid that. And while some restrictions are absolutely vital, we often forget the other side of the coin, the incredible power of adding the right nutrients to your diet. It's not just about what you can't have, it's profoundly about what you should be eating. Many kidney patients tell me they feel overwhelmed, lost in a maze of conflicting information. One day it's don't eat potassium, the next it's eat more veggies. It's confusing and it can lead to people giving up, or worse, making choices that actually hurt their kidneys more in the long run. The real challenge isn't just knowing what to eat, but understanding why certain foods are beneficial and how to weave them into your daily life without feeling like you're constantly fighting a battle. Let's talk about the specific warriors that can join your kidney healing army. First up, berries. Think blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. These tiny powerhouses are bursting with antioxidants called anthocyanins. What do antioxidants do? They're like little cleanup crews, sweeping away harmful molecules that can damage kidney cells. Plus, most berries are low in potassium and phosphorus, making them a sweet, satisfying, and safe treat. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry highlighted the potent antioxidant activity of berries and their potential role in protecting against kidney damage. Imagine starting your day with a handful of these vibrant gems in your oatmeal or a smoothie. It's a simple change with a big impact. Next, let's talk about humble cabbage. Often overlooked, cabbage is a superstar for kidney health. It's packed with vitamin K, vitamin C, and fiber. It's also incredibly low in potassium and phosphorus, making it a staple for anyone focusing on kidney health. Whether you enjoy it steamed, sautéed, or as part of a fresh coleslaw, cabbage offers a satisfying crunch and a wealth of nutrients without the worry. It's a fantastic way to add bulk and flavour to your meals. And what about vibrant bell peppers, especially red ones? These aren't just pretty, they're loaded with vitamin C and vitamin A, which are powerful antioxidants, and they're also low in potassium. They add amazing colour and flavour to salads, stir-fries, or even just sliced raw as a snack. Think about how much more appealing and nutritious your plate becomes when you add some brightly coloured bell peppers. Then there's garlic. This isn't just for vampires, it's for your kidneys too. Garlic offers anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce cholesterol. It's also a fantastic way to add flavour to your dishes without relying on high-sodium seasonings, which are a big no-no for kidney health. A little minced garlic in your cooking can elevate a simple dish into something truly delicious, and your kidneys will thank you for it. Along similar lines, onions are another unsung hero. They contain compounds like flavonoids and powerful antioxidants that protect against inflammation and can even help with blood sugar control. Like garlic, onions are low in potassium and can add a fantastic depth of flavour to almost any savoury dish, from soups to stir-fries. Now, let's turn to olive oil. This liquid gold is a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, and for good reason. It's rich in monounsaturated fats and polyphenols, which are fantastic for reducing inflammation throughout the body, including in your kidneys. Using extra virgin olive oil for dressing salads or light sautéing is a simple swap that provides significant heart and kidney benefits. It's about choosing good fats over bad ones, and olive oil is at the top of the list. For protein, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel and tuna are excellent choices. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which have potent anti-inflammatory effects and can help reduce blood pressure. Remember, inflammation is a big enemy for damaged kidneys, so anything that fights it is a friend. If you're managing phosphorus intake, be mindful of portion sizes, but these fish provide high-quality protein essential for muscle maintenance without overloading your kidneys. And speaking of protein, egg whites are a near-perfect protein source for kidney patients. They provide pure, high-quality protein without the phosphorus-rich yolk. This makes them incredibly versatile for breakfasts, adding to salads, or as a protein boost in many dishes. Think omelettes, scrambled whites, or even hard-boiled for a quick snack. Finally, let's not forget cauliflower. This versatile vegetable is a great source of vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and fibre. It's also low in potassium, phosphorus, and sodium, making it extremely kidney-friendly. You can mash it as a potato substitute, roast it, or even use it as a rice alternative. Cauliflower allows you to enjoy creamy textures and satisfying meals without putting extra strain on your kidneys. And the humble apple. It's rich in fibre and anti-inflammatory compounds, plus it's a sweet, refreshing, low-potassium snack that helps keep your digestive system happy. The key to all of this isn't just knowing the foods, it's understanding the power they hold. Each bite of these foods isn't just nourishment, it's an active step towards healing. It's about making small, consistent choices that add up over time, like building a strong, protective wall around your kidneys. These foods provide the right balance of nutrients, protect against inflammation and oxidative stress, and help manage critical levels like potassium and phosphorus without sacrificing flavour or enjoyment. It's about empowering yourself through delicious, everyday choices. So don't feel trapped by your kidney diet. Embrace these amazing foods daily. Incorporate berries into your morning routine. Add bell peppers and cabbage to your lunches. Flavour your dinners with garlic and onions. And choose healthy fats like olive oil. These simple changes are not just about managing a condition. They're about actively healing, revitalising your body, and reclaiming your well-being. Your kidneys are resilient, and with the right support, they can heal more than you might imagine. Ready to take control of your kidney health with even more expert advice? Click on the video popping up right now for more essential tips. Thanks for watching the video.